Welcome back to MAURO'S Films. We finally reached 10k and that's a really great milestone. And that's all of you folks right up here. I didn't think of an 10k special for my channel, but if you follow me on, you will always have some benefits out of my channel and some free stuff that I always share with you guys. So don't miss the subscribe button down there. I'm not kind of used to make channel updates, but here's the thing. I got another Mavic Air and that's the flame red sexy one. I got it from the DJI forum free trial competition and I won. So here it is. And the great PolarPro team sent me a limited collection cinema series ND filters, the shutter collection and UV filter. Oh yeah, the Taco RC team also sent me the Mavic Air series ND filters, so I will be kinda comparing all of that in the following videos. I will be filming tomorrow also some vlog stuff, and there will be included an Hammer X8 octocopter and a really great friend of mine. So I will be throwing a vlog thing out of this, also with my great friend and buddy that thinks that he speaks a really great Cockney accent.
Well, you can call me Susan if it makes you happy.
A test and review should be out by Friday night, but it could be also Monday until I edit all of this. And you will get also all the answers in that video. So finally, the main thing. Is the flame red more sexy than the onyx black? Well, it's only one way to find out. And if you want to find out more what will you get in the 5 more combo package, a link will pop up right here. There you go, my first channel update. If you liked it, thumbs up. If you want to follow on, there should be a subscribe button down there. See you guys really soon.